is what your Christmas menu needs. This special chicken sauce. Oh my goodness. Let's get into it without any delay. Vegetable oil into your pan, and then we're going to add some boneless chicken stripes into that, and then just allow this to cook for about a minute or so. We're going with our scotch bonnet for heat, some onion for flavor and sweetness. Stir all of this till combine, and going with your FS spices, garlic, ginger, and onion powder. It is so good. Don't skip it. Paprika, oregano, and chicken seasoning powder. Going with sesame oil, oyster sauce, and chili sauce because it's Christmas, baby, and you gotta make it extra special. Cook that into your chicken for about 2 minutes, and then go in with your carrots and sweet corn. I need all the seasoning and flavors to get into the sweet corn, and it is going to be so good. Add a little bit of water, cover to cook for about 10 minutes. Yes, after 10 minutes, we're going in with our colored bell peppers. It is Christmas. Give it all the colors you can get. Cover that to cook for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add in our corn flour slurry. It's just corn flour mixed with water. Don't let the name deceive you. Now, allow this to simmer until this sauce is thickened. Yes, you can add as much corn flour as you like in case you like it very, very thick or just a bit thick, okay? Just the consistency that you like, and this sauce is ready. And I beg you, serve this sauce with basmati rice because it is Christmas.